Welcome to AI Channel. In today's world, our lives have been made remarkably simpler, all thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence. That's why we bring a topmost 10 free AI tool from building websites to generating online income. So, let's dive right in. Introducing number 1 on our list, Durable AI. This incredible AI tool allows you to create stunning websites completely free of charge. When you enter the website, you'll have the option to select your preferred type, such as social marketing, accounting, or editing. Once you've chosen your business type, simply click Next to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. After providing your business name, click Next to initiate the creation of a beautiful website tailored specifically for your business. Please wait a few seconds for the website to appear on the screen. Now, our website is completely ready. Simply scroll down to take a glance at the finished product. I believe it turned out really well, so if you like this website, please give it a try. Introducing number 2 on our list, AutoDraw. This remarkable tool is designed to assist you with drawing. For instance, if you scribble something on this tool, it will provide you with a range of suggestions based on your drawing. Once you start drawing using the options on the left, you will see suggestions appear above. Simply choose one of the preferred options from above to bring your drawing to life. Next up, at number 3 on our list, we have Resi AI. This powerful tool is specifically designed to assist you in creating professional resumes. Once you enter the tool, simply click on Create New Resume to begin crafting your resume. Here, you'll need to provide details such as your contact information, courses, certifications, experience, projects, education, involvement, skills, and more. Once you have provided all the necessary details, click Finish Up to generate your final resume. This is the final result of the resume. At number 4 on our list, we have Glyostar. This exceptional AI tool specializes in creating text-to-animation videos. Upon entering the tool, simply scroll down and click on the Create Now button to initiate the video creation process. Next, select your preferred character from the available options. Once you've made your choice, copy and paste your content into the designated box. Finally, click the Process button to see the results of your animated video.
I'm a passionate, hardworking person, self-motivated and optimistic. My short-term goal is to achieve.
Taking the 5th spot on our list is Runway. This incredible AI tool empowers you to create captivating Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and much more. Upon entering the tool, simply drag and drop your video into the designated area below. On the right side, you'll find a wide array of options such as opacity, position, speed, rotation, and more. Utilize these options effectively to enhance and customize your video according to your preferences. At number 6 on our list is Crayon AI. This tool that enables you to generate images from text. To use this tool, simply enter your prompt in the designated section. Once you've specified the image you want, click on the Draw option to obtain your desired result. If you're looking for an alternative to Midjourney, give this tool a try. Coming in at number 7 on our list is Kooky AI. This chatbot tool that allows you to engage in conversations. If you're feeling lonely and looking for someone to chat with, this tool is perfect for you. It generates responses to keep the conversation going for as long as you desire. Give it a try and enjoy an interactive chat experience. Next up at number 8 on our list is Brand Crowd, a powerful tool for creating logos for your business. Once you enter your business details, such as the name and relevant keywords, Brand Crowd automatically generates multiple logo styles tailored to your business. By using this tool, I've obtained over 9,000 unique logos. The best part is that you can easily edit and customize these logos, adding sample pictures to create variations that suit your preferences. Number 9 on our list is Quillbot, an AI tool designed to assist with sentence rephrasing. Simply copy and paste your sentence into the provided space, and with a click of the Paraphrase button, Quillbot will generate alternative phrasings for you. Each time you click the button, it will produce a new set of alternative phrases. Moreover, Quillbot supports multiple languages, including French, Spanish, Italian, and many more. Taking the 10th spot on our list is Andy AI, an exceptional AI assistant that offers solutions to various problems. If you're seeking advice on making money, for instance, Andy AI is capable of providing answers. Whatever doubts or inquiries you may have, feel free to ask this AI assistant, and it will gladly assist you. I hope you found value in this video and learned about some remarkable AI tools. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more AI tools and content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.